When people come to us with questions about estate planning, we tell them that in New York and in Staten Island, there's really not an early enough time to come to us with those questions. The basic documents that everyone should have, things like power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and even a simple will, are things that everyone should have, whether they are elderly, whether they have children, whether they're a single person. These are documents that, because we don't know what tomorrow may bring, we need to have them in place. When people come into us, the first question I ask them is, what documents do you already have in place? Do you have your basic documents for estate planning? Do you have a will? Do you have a trust? Do you have powers of attorney? Do you have healthcare proxy, living will? These kinds of documents are what we call basic documents. And we go from there. Each person has different needs. So maybe simple basic documents work for one person. Maybe they have to be more elaborate. Maybe they involve trusts. And when people come into our office, they are amazed at all of the different types of trusts that there are. Whether you are a person who has a very large estate or you're a person who has a modest estate, there are still things that you need to concern yourself with. And it's this area of law that, for me personally, is something that I am striving to be on top of constantly. That's an area of law that we are striving to educate the public about, the public on Staten Island, and we hold seminars in order to bring them up to speed on the changes in law so that they can then come into the office and maybe have specific questions about their own circumstances, and hopefully we're able to help them in all those different respects.